Happy holiday! Welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen. Today I'm unboxing my new Instant Pot VIVA 6-quart 9-in-1 pressure cooker in my kitchen. Let's get started. This was delivered in an original box like this. I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video with you guys. It comes in silver and black. I already have a silver 8-quart Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, so I picked a black one this time. The 8-quart one I used to make soups and yogurt most of the time. Due to the size it weighs, I didn't feel like moving it around so much. Hopefully this 6-quart one I will get to use more. Once I open the box, there is the menu. An extra orange color sealing ring. This could be helpful because the sealing ring could be dirty and tear off time after time. The power cord. I bought this from Walmart around Thanksgiving. It might still on sale. If you are interested, I'll list the link in the description box. This video is not sponsored or anything. I just love to share. Finally comes the Instant Pot. Look at that handsome boy. Some warning paper is attached to the steam release valve. You can remove and put it back on just like the Duo one. Let's open the lid. The sealing ring. Inside this bag, there is a rag you can use to steam or place food on it. There are 2 handles to help you grab. Another warning paper. Here's the inner pot. It is smaller than what I expected, but it's still good quality stainless steel pot. Another warning paper. That's about what's inside in the box. Let's take a closer look. Here's the power cord. It is kind of short in my opinion. It would be nicer if it's longer. It took me a while to connect the cord. I didn't see the condensation collector earlier. It is pretty soft plastic. Steam release valve you can remove to wash. Make sure you clean it every time you use it. It could be really greasy. Float valve. Quick release button. The inner pot has 1/2 and 2/3 max fill lines. There is a hole on top of the condensation collector. There is an area I would pay more attention when I clean. Here's the lid. The sealing ring is removable. Let's look at the functions now. In the center, there are pressure level, delay start, cancel, and keep one buttons. Plus and minus sign are for adjustments. There isn't a start button. All you need to do is to set your time and leave it. It will start after about 10 seconds with some beeping sounds. On the screen, you see on. Keep in mind that Instant Pot takes time to heat up. For pressure cooking and other modes, the Instant Pot will take usually 10 to 15 minutes to heat up and bring the pressure up to proper levels. Pressure cook delay starts is from 10 minutes to 24 hours. Yogurt is preset to 8 hours. Sous vide preset 133 degree Fahrenheit, range from 77 to 194 degree Fahrenheit. Porridge preset 20 minutes, multigrain preset 40 minutes, rice preset 12 minutes, Sauté preset 30 minutes, slow cook preset 6 hours, eggs 5 minutes, cake 40 minutes, bean and chili 30 minutes, meat and stew 35 minutes, soup and broth 30 minutes. You can adjust any of these functions to your preference. That is for my unboxing 6-quote Instant Pot VIVA video today. I hope you have fun with me and have a wonderful, safe holiday this year. Give this video a thumbs up, leave comments, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye! Merry Christmas!